You ever picture that perfect backyard, truly part of your home, but maybe worry it won't turn out quite right?
Oh, absolutely. That gap between vision and reality is pretty common.
Exactly. So today we're diving into something called the art of outdoor living. It's a design philosophy from VizX Design Studios.
Hmm.
And our mission is really to unpack their process, figure out how they bridge that gap, and turn an idea into, well, a space you actually love living in.
And what's really interesting, I think, is where they start. It's not with like picking out pavers or deciding how big the patio
Right.
is.
It's about the person first.
Yeah, it's about understanding you, the homeowner,
Yeah.
deeply.
So that first step they call discovery and lifestyle assessment. It's all these questions, right? Like, how do you really live outside now or want to?
What do you actually do out there?
Mm.
Where do you find yourself relaxing? What needs to happen? Is it cooking, playing, just quiet time?
It's designing for how life happens, not just for looks.
Precisely. Instead of just want a grill station, it's more like, okay, when you entertain, how does it flow? Do people gather near the cooking area? They're looking at the actual rhythm of your life outdoors.
Okay, so they get a deep understanding of your lifestyle.
Yeah.
What's next? I saw something about site analysis, technical mapping. Sounds intense.
It kind of is, but in a good way. They use some serious tech here.
Like what?
Things like LIDAR, that's laser scanning, to get a super accurate 3D map of your actual land. Plus, drone footage for the big picture view.
Wow.
Yeah, they get really precise elevation data, slopes, everything. It's almost like planning a major construction project.
But why all that effort up front for a backyard?
Well, it's all about preventing problems,
Right.
honestly. This level of detail lets them see potential issues, maybe drainage challenges or a slope that wasn't obvious before a single shovel hits the ground.
So you avoid those costly surprises later on. Makes sense.
Exactly. The design then works with the land, not against it. Fewer oops moments for you.
Okay, smart. So lifestyle understood, site totally mapped out.
Hmm.
Then comes the fun part, design development and visualization,
Exactly.
seeing it.
Yes. This is where the vision starts becoming, tangible. They create these detailed 3D
So
models.
you could really see it.
Totally. And crucially, they integrate it with your house's existing style, the architecture, so it feels connected, cohesive, not just tacked on.
I bet that's a huge moment for people. Seeing it in 3D, going from abstract ideas to, okay, I can actually picture us sitting there.
That's exactly what their material suggests. It's that aha moment, bridging the mental gap.
Even the best vision bumps up against reality, right?
Yeah.
Budgets. That's step 4, isn't it?
Okay.
Budget planning.
Yep. The sometimes tricky budget conversation, nobody loves sticker shock.
So how do they handle that? Does the dream die there?
No, hopefully not. Their approach is interesting. They use tiered options,
Mm.
essential, select, and signature.
Okay.
So it's transparent. You can see clearly what drives the cost for different features or levels of finish. It lets you make informed choices.
So you can adjust things. Maybe scale back here, upgrade there to match the budget.
Exactly. It's about smarter spending because you understand the value and the options clearly. Less guesswork, more control.
Right. Lifestyle, site, vision, budget, dot covered.
Hmm.
That brings us to the last step before building. Final design and execution planning. What's key here?
This is basically where everything gets locked in. Every single decision is intentional, it's finalized. You have a complete, detailed plan.
So no winging it during construction.
Definitely not. It's the total opposite of that, let's just see how it goes approach. The goal is a smooth build process based on that solid roadmap, gives you, the homeowner, real confidence in what the outcome will be.
So looking at this whole art of outdoor living thing from
Mhm.
VizX, it's clearly not just about having a nice idea. It's this really methodical step-by-step process.
That's the core of it. And that structure, that method, is what they argue leads to genuinely better results, spaces that really work for how you live.
And feel natural, integrated, not forced.
Yeah, a better experience from start to finish, and a space you'll actually use and enjoy for years.
It really makes you think, doesn't it?
Mhm.
Where else could applying a more structured, intentional process moving past just the initial concept lead to a much more satisfying reality, something to ponder?